Good morning. Welcome to the Professor Do Show. Here is nearly 9 a.m. on this Tuesday morning. Hope your day is going well in the morning like mine. So today I want to show you to cook. It's about making perfect tea and milk for breakfast. Making perfect tea and milk for breakfast. So when you usually cook tea, people use water, they use tea leaves, and then they add milk. That's what I'm saying, making perfect tea and milk for breakfast. So what do you need? First of all, I have my pan here, stainless steel. So it's still stainless steel, a pan, a cooking pan. And then you need water. So in my case, because I'm using one, I have a 5 millimeter packet of milk. I only need one and a half cups of water. So this is my cup, my first cup of water, full cup of water. And then my half cup of water. I'm pouring them in this cooking pan. I've poured them in this cooking pan. Yes, and then the main ingredient for tea is this is tea leaves. So these tea leaves are spiced with ginger. As you know, ginger is very good. It helps in digestion. It's an antioxidant that helps prevent infection, helps people with arthritis, helps in digestion, and also helps to prevent cancer. It gives your body strength. So these are very good tea leaves, Kenyan tea leaves, made here in Kenya. They're spiced with ginger. They smell very nice. Do you know the way ginger smells? So you need these tea leaves. So first of all, I'm going to boil the water. I'll boil the water first. So I'm going to boil the water first. So my gas is on. Let me show you. So this is my gas. Is on. It's cooking. So I'm putting in the water. I'll put the water. You can see the water there. I'll put the water there. You can see I've put the water is boiling. So we need to cover the water. So I've covered the water. We're going to give it a few minutes to boil. I'm going to give it a few minutes to boil. So our water has boiled. So we want to add the tea leaves. I usually add just half of one this. But if you have those it's called the table teaspoon, the small ones, you can add 2 of them. But me, I just add half of this in the water, and then I stir. You can see the way it's boiling. The tea is boiling. So we want to get milk. This is my milk to 50 ml. You can use, it depends on the family. If you have a big family, you may use 500 ml, but me I usually use 250 ml when I'm alone. But with the family, you can use more milk. So I pour it in. And I always say stir again. So I have to show you, I'm filming on my own. So that is the milk is boiling. So we are going to give it time for it to boil. Then we see. So our perfect tea and milk is almost ready. So you can see perfect tea with milk is almost ready. You can see there, perfect tea with milk boiling. So it has tea leaves with ginger and milk. You can take it with bread. You can take it with cakes, biscuits. So in my case today, I'm going to take it with bread and biscuits. Yeah, thank you. So our tea is ready. Our tea is ready, as you can see. So you need to pour it in the cup. And you can serve it with bread, with biscuits, with rice, whatever you want. But in my case, I'm going to serve it with biscuits, family biscuits. So if you like what I've said, send something on the mobile number there. This is the Professor Duo Show. And as I always say, kwaheri ya kuonana, kwaheri.